Want this? Hi guys, I hope you are all fine. This is a simple video. Follow my steps. Now add the keyframe in start and at the end. Now bit zoom. Do all same like this in every part. Now go to Video Effects. Select Flash Vibration. Adjust in the split part. Go to Adjust. Atmosphere 0 to 100. Glow 46. Copy and paste in every part. Now go to Adjust. Range is 40. Do all range is 40 in every part. Go to Video Effects. Select Vibration Flash. Now adjust in the start. This effect put bit large of upper effect. Copy and paste in every split part. Go to Video Effects. Go to Video Effects. Go to Opening and Closing. Select Vertical Blur. Adjust in the start. Now copy and paste in every part. Go to Transition. Go to Combo. Select Zoom to. Do this transition in every part. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like.